Fall 2026 is all about making your living room feel warm, inviting, and effortlessly cozy. With layered textures, rich autumn colors, and simple seasonal accents, you can transform your space into the perfect place to relax all season long. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now let's get started. Why is the living room the best place to decorate for fall? The living room is where family and friends naturally gather, making it the perfect space to showcase seasonal decor. Even a few autumn touches can completely change the atmosphere and make the room feel warm and welcoming. Do you start decorating your living room first? Comment below. What fall color trends are popular in 2026? Terracotta, burnt orange, olive green, caramel, cream, deep burgundy, and warm brown are leading the way. These earthy colors create a timeless autumn palette that feels cozy without overwhelming the room. Save this color palette for your fall makeover. How can I decorate my living room on a budget? Swap pillow covers, add cozy throws, decorate with pumpkins, and use candles or natural branches. Small seasonal updates can make a big difference without replacing your everyday decor. Share this with someone who loves budget decorating. What throw pillows work best for fall? Choose pillows with knit textures, velvet fabrics, plaid patterns, or warm neutral tones. Mixing different textures creates depth while keeping your sofa comfortable and inviting. Which pillow style is your favorite? How can blankets make a living room feel cozier? Layer chunky knit throws or soft fleece blankets over sofas and chairs. Besides adding warmth, they create visual texture and instantly make the room feel ready for autumn. Like this if you love cozy blankets. What coffee table decorations are trending in 2026? Decorate with candles, stacked books, mini pumpkins, wooden trays, dried florals, and small vases. Keeping the arrangement simple creates a stylish focal point without clutter. Would you decorate your coffee table for fall? How can I decorate shelves for autumn? Mix seasonal items like pumpkins, lanterns, pine cones, framed artwork, and greenery with your everyday decor. Layering different heights makes shelves look balanced and intentional. Save this shelf styling idea. What lighting creates a cozy autumn atmosphere? Warm LED candles, table lamps, lanterns, and soft string lights create a relaxing glow that makes the living room feel comfortable during cooler evenings. What's your favorite cozy lighting idea? How can I decorate around the fireplace? Add lanterns, baskets, pumpkins, candles, or seasonal signs around the hearth. Coordinating these accents with your mantle creates a beautiful and cohesive display. Do you decorate your fireplace every fall? What natural decorations work best? Pine cones, dried leaves, wheat stems, cotton branches, acorns, and wooden accents bring natural beauty indoors while celebrating the autumn season. Nature-inspired decor or modern decor? Comment below. What wall decor complements fall decorating? Autumn artwork, rustic signs, mirrors, woven baskets, and seasonal wreaths help complete the room without requiring a complete redesign. Mirror or wall art, which would you choose? What decorating mistakes should I avoid? Avoid using too many bright colors, overcrowding shelves, or mixing unrelated styles. A consistent color palette creates a more polished and relaxing look. Simple or bold fall decor, which do you prefer? How can I transition from summer to fall decor? Replace lightweight fabrics with cozy textures, switch bright colors for earthy tones, and gradually introduce pumpkins, candles, and seasonal greenery. Do you decorate early or wait until autumn begins? What window decorations make a living room feel more cozy? Lightweight fall curtains, wreaths, fairy lights, mini pumpkins on the windowsill, and small potted mums instantly make windows feel warm and inviting. Natural sunlight combined with seasonal decor creates a cozy atmosphere throughout the day. Do you decorate your windows for fall? Comment below. How can I decorate my living room for both fall and Thanksgiving? Choose timeless autumn decorations like neutral pumpkins, lanterns, cozy blankets, candles, and natural greenery. As Thanksgiving approaches, simply add a gather sign, richer autumn colors, or seasonal centerpieces to refresh the room without redecorating everything. Do you decorate for the entire fall season? What is the secret to a cozy fall living room? The coziest living rooms combine soft textures, warm lighting, seasonal colors, and personal touches that make everyone feel at home. When comfort and style work together, your living room becomes the perfect place to relax, entertain, and enjoy everything the autumn season has to offer. Which cozy decorating idea is your favorite? Comment below. How can I add fall decor without changing my furniture? You don't need to buy new furniture to give your living room a fresh autumn look. Simply swap out pillow covers, add a chunky knit throw, display a few pumpkins, light seasonal candles, and incorporate warm-toned accessories. These small updates can completely transform your space while keeping your decorating budget low. Would you decorate with simple seasonal updates? How can I keep my living room looking modern in 2026? Use neutral backgrounds with carefully selected autumn accents. Clean layouts, natural materials, and layered textures create a cozy space without looking cluttered. Would you try this modern fall style? What makes a fall living room truly memorable? A welcoming living room combines comfort, warmth, and thoughtful decorating. When every detail works together, the space becomes somewhere family and friends naturally want to gather. Which decorating idea inspired you most? Comment below. Fall living room decorating in 2026 is about creating a cozy retreat filled with warmth, texture, and seasonal charm. Whether your style is modern, farmhouse, or traditional, a few simple updates can transform your space into the heart of your home this autumn. Like, comment, and follow for more 2026 fall decorating and DIY inspiration.